abusia for emomo akwa babiem ebra so say etwetwe omam ho nkomo ena no pay honorable Koduah Eduasare ihu na che afikura binim smeshia na honorable akwaba yeshia sa aboboko de
tomorrow kwa
okay honorable Henry Kwabena Kukufu MP Bantama Parliament wo ansana Parliament so ba ko nkran ha se honorable akwaba yo
mo official panso so
oh be that honorable that's it that's a pa
birthday belated though
yo ebusa for na nkomo twetwe no edoso na yebehya asesisi a emu ye ka mo se 1441 ho na ado aginche ni na no ebefa honorable mesha semfru so no abo Koduah Eduasare yes Ghana for 200 bi akoka Brazil mo so mo mafie what is asem no
which year I read UTV pay na mechi first say
honorable Kofu
say enranyumre na menya sa hint no but yeah so you try say you be bubu ho ahwe because fire ho kakra yeah organize and I say committee minister form some aspects of the Brazil especially where the supporters are concerned. Ye bisa hon semo sabi nukra wo mu ne any free mover say yeah call friends say Brazil no yeah me call Brasilia be no so they can call Natal I think some of the numbers here the ban and even whilst we were there you didn't reports so I say yeah what Ghana crowd before I ever call Brasilia, which was the third match anytime you have a friend Natal almost your head counter it's numbers no SOT because we had a team of security men like as a security like police for soldier for customs for immigration national security for almost bad together send be as a Ghana for na econo nim the way I bet me manage your mon semwafa and you know every day omo year head count omo ekodidi omo accesses certain facilities so they had a way of exactly and consistently they realize every now and then no numbers no esoti you know but then again almost bisemu oh issue na downfall like amu downfall for Brazil like ebinum someone downfall ebinum say other residents Krabaho campo ebesra Ghana for Nibia campo and you know again we should be say why didn't we take our passports yeah free on ceremony and of course Brazil Krobia and as of Mambia omo ye bit omo loss no sphinchem kakra enti wonama amrebia no ehun kura be hia se bekuta o passport e wo ho se ebia o pese wo sesan sika kura because omo sika no ukra any other foreign currency would be fantoshi wo ko there omo ni unlike
$80 which made the safest kabedi no
ho untimi ntohwe omo ni wo bebia ti say okosesa na say okosesa so a uhia o passport na o dia akosesa sa sika ntina e difficult say o be je amanfo passports every omonsem say bia o dey safeguard sa situation no again visas are yedema amanfo tra nadodo yen ye tusu say ye bedi which was the 2 weeks she say call for the first 3 matches. You who may be here na ye be she share fufra. They be extend stay no. Until we were going to stay for 15 days. Or we had planned to stay for 15 days. Meanwhile, amount for visitors I think it's for 90 days. Until now and also no
90 days you put me answer.
Aha, put me answer. Until heading say obi found who the bisa free the some. Until no no ma yensa echichire yensa kakra wo yechi. But sani akoba no de sabi ye mrasam anti Brazil emra ene ekwa ye faso ede etnasa omamu ho no say omo na sisi a sem na kopie omo animti kwa mo be faso mo de be handle say ade a me jiri say oman no ho be nya so obi free or have yi anu anazo obo bibi kafa ho a me jiri say samre no so a the appropriate friend say organization na say ministry a say omudi hu sa adwuma no so omo so be ne say so omo ye
Mr. say eno no say obokọ a we be ka say so what e be affecting your kwan bi so na but wo hwe o ma report e wo other networks Al Jazeera for aka ho asem newspaper bi o mo say friend Miami Herald mo so kura de mo dey sports breaking news say Ghana for mo ba no mo be say 150 to 200 adwane. But the question is that omaba oma ankwebe den could it also be say dey work no esan say omo visa no etra sa 2 weeks as say no bia Ghana ekodi wo ho no e bi kura na no my be so okay yet na ho na ye 3 months no ba be so a na bia ya ba na nya say bia adwane no mo adwane. But the first question is that say fan say omo kwa mpa and so what?
Yeah, I'm say sabe ye embra ubi say obe call mine for bi so akwa bo wedwa entino ye ntimi enhodi ubi entra say tra ha ye shawa mo atna Ghana. But we share circumstance a dey omumu bi kopie wa no na ema ye yi kakra asefim kakra say muti so modern kofo ekoye we share the we are daily guide APK story na they are share NDC
now they also NDC supporters
so but before say as I say ye share no in the larger because Sebi
and honorable interestingly Al Jazeera across they all say hundreds of Muslim soccer fans free Ghana omo report omo de buy no say men kind of say hundreds of Ghanaian Muslims who entered Brazil as tourists for the World Cup have asked for asylum on religious grounds. Police have said.
Okay, and on the report said if you want to assess asylum status you must give reasons. Say baby wono ebia bibi sifa o fa ho de bi ho kwan so sorry legitimately na what me and manage me agina so e de amount sa status no me jiri say no ho ntina omo koka sa sem but ye nyina so ye nim say there's no such situation here and no na the unfortunate bit of this whole thing.
International diplomacy yes Brazil for no bet me I find out to confirm.
Certainly.
Okay,
certainly because say they have to yes say amount friend say
so
I would just say they still have that because Brazil and Casano I say man said that also population you know as a man yeah about 4 times more than memanti say no sooner omo be share no sooner omo dia momo dia fine but say yeah nia omo akusiki omo reasons omo meya so and Brazil for no be so idea they will verify from within the diplomatic circles. Now yes idea they will have to deny them sir FM say but say maybe almost bit me can say we are based on XYZ factors because according to other information be so many say even delegate class so access a particular city in Yuma Bibre I will obubenya ye ne ade then even now crap yen determine omo status crap no ase
yes so no mo
nkoso pe bibinye in the meantime and all of that
yes ya kasa bre kwa Brazil for kwa penisa
intino it's early days yet me say as the issues unfold you be who near ni so clear na baby a dey December to no na ya hwede ato
obi send me text say I say Ghana for member na mo ko no kwa mo ko ubi bru ma bi kra na enya name ba kwa be fly crop mo Paul ana mo ko kukufu yemi an mo ba kwa tena so mo ko no say reports ayate no o ma reports on other already I ko boy I ho nsem bebre we susu asan ba frem no but bibi say on abo say okay o mo so what
yo well my main can share with you na mo nyina titiri ni anu ma bantama so na me ni akwa ba welcome back from Brazil. Thank you. Now Ghana called Brazil 2016 and we are back
2014
yeah and we are back 2016 is on my mind now ironically she said the Adekye is between Ghana and Brazil sa World Cup mudi hepa na egu nhu ani masekese pa Ghana for any egu nhu ani masekese pa na host nation Brazil because it seems that we are competing we are sure say Oma
me kwada me say me petition for FIFA say yem ban Brazilian team so omo egu football ani mas
well bia but there's another angle Ghana so we are in the race because so serious I sympathize with my colleague here heading so or air conditioner has also because oh yes national officer needs to see I know the or kind of likely or say oh if I won't kakrebi if I won't pa titru mo dadie na no from the Ministry of Youth and Sports government itself anymore the digimedie ne share mo sa hye when him there will be another dimension to it means me busi ani ka ho ana omaya I am coming to hold you people responsible.
Really?
Some maintaining Kawayira. She said, you hear the Pebinum call holidays. Now,
almost so you no say, or J visa, so or Brazil. The visa no a 10 year no 3 months. Time on also in work as a Waira. Oh,
as you see, I was say, she said, initial 2 weeks stay. No, based on there, you can have 5 years, but you stay your limit, your staying limit, no, is there. When they 2 weeks. It is a 2 weeks no swan, then they extend. 2 weeks no soon here, say about progress here. Then they go to extend. You know about our candidacy, I admit. And that is basically what it is. You may have 3 years, 5 years, all right, but that does not entitle you to cover all. No, a limit, within some limit. Now, you don't call so much here Ghana team. Until they went on a project. It is a project now and there. Wo did before we did na wo kwaye mu etua kan wo so apretua na kwaye ase wo did dey before we did na ya no etua kan wo so ka kwaye mu na mase na kwaye na wo did dey you see and now he says delegate he takes delegate on so delegate cried the story how they took it say NPP supporters
who say NDC supporters
who is saying that on one deputy minister former Joseph Yamin, he said it openly and openly. Say, well, when you be on here, the supporters, yeah, the NDC supporters in the Beko. So then,
does it mean say omone call?
I'm not doing the call, yeah. Now, this year, idea way, it is so serious. What am I minor? Your reputation now can diplomatic level. This year, asylum seeking, Ghana you be. In the ages, the period 1997 1979 coming, FRC, revolution time, and indeed, any time there, you get people seeking political asylum elsewhere. the scourge it took up a koanimu kese a common practice from 1979 coup up to 1981 coup coming. What you say? Now, say my brother admit say truly any Muslim be a problem be a peace so be a peace. I okaso me ba verify. But clearly Wasa Kebio Sarkozy say, see you may be crowd Sao Paulo no mbenya biaye. So it's economic reason. People are running away. Yes, people have run away, or they intend running away from the nation, from Omanum, because say the more thing. And it's so much Brazil no mbenya adwuma no mhobeto no mbenya setna. Why not? Obepede heavy. What can ticket a man or man per them why born crowd tinyanko hebi or here no a friend say TV so was as a classroom was a hint to my real near the what you say to or some pedi and no penny bed into no be your power per beer no wedi and yes any information class also cry man nebu near the arches so bro me man so to be cry no opportunity or worry na okonya ye Brazilian baby sir. And more critical point here. Yakogu ehwonyi was yaswa $3 million a good bag made da kwabrane kon. I defy all money transfer laws and any regulations away the and then international. Adi akwa do ho. Your players semi revolt or whatever. So troni adi nyina bem the officials. Do baby cry matisias in that Brazil police crisis Kasule Muntari or Mobachino said I don't know. And no and sana yabaye Sembebre administrators ministry nankasa ni na ho yen kanwe then we aba betoso on when ngui asiese start say ba ana ho kire na de ho prepare yes opeso si anu a ebeba more. Allow it to come on its natural course.
In this circumstance nanka nipa na do mo ko metimi aye bibia na because mpani bu bebi say brane ye mo no bede wa kire mu say opia ne passport ohia okosese sika mi dise de won so skura wunim so tu kwan a o baby o ha o kwa bibi na o be demand nti na de na nanko betimi aye o mo wa sore say me kukruma akota de aba me hunu baby kura wakwa kudu.
That is where the problem is. And unti wo na organizing ni pade na akono wo be due diligence wa ha
e wo ha say
yes what depend the background kwa yi tika
support does no
tika me de ne kui me so ha ne de da kui oya okoya ambassador you see omunyina ambassadors of the nation.
Okay,
footballers officials supporters omunyina o mani dimu no omukojira it is a me kwabna de me konam kugu me ho anim ase ya me kwam no me je anim gase me ti o man anim gase it due diligence be na now within years back a year that me can and then enya peculiar to Ghana. You know players in Ankasa and they say be a athletics competition there kwa woman kasa athletes in Ankasa omuwe anu maji omhwaka o ya siki asala me number me jinse jama no kra kan hu bi da foreign players pi ewo na ho we local player there do koda wa waka okoka enti asem da ho asem wo ho aban people no aspect the president immediately you say minister no ya de na resafo no ya de na kotna president aso ye deputy minister won kwa ha any ade sesi unfolding events here no so my prepared to so mo the report ni ade beba ba account for that 200 soccer fans na where they are so my hero some paso mu ku siki asalamo so mu ko yede what measures were put in place to make sure say obi biara a okono obeba safely rabe kanabusi answer the CCA jamen fasa man kwa chichichi obi won kwatechi masisi a obi more kura busisi a wo na busiafo can take the government of Ghana on
so the moko
ordinary this year call
then nipa ko na kodwane
now so onim so adwane o ko ring ni ka
krom ho
no aka krom ho na wo hunu na afie do obeti azie si bibi ato no ko fam this year breme won te say Janet Bandu ne ma me ne papa
mo se twaso come se castro before mo baba amre o
sa pepe
castro isu yehu no
nti be kakra binom be ka se Ghana government ko fire this year bre what are we seeing? Yes, what are we seeing? clearly they are running away, or they've run away from ahokyere wo man. Oh, that's yet your man.
But don't know boy.
Yes.
Say better than say any panel yet to make us say umugani from first of all say they got the adwene so mo NDC for. Aban so say omanumu ahoche kakra na ababataye. Enti na supporter na no so gina ban di no odwane akopɛ de ban.
Ano ne answer oh na Anglo youth no. Youth no. NDC supporters o. O ma ye krado. Ah o mu be demonstration den. That is the reality. Enti ne ka say in matters of governance. Amamu mu no. Some predecessor. We twa control now. Wo dada obi enye because the reality will come to dawn on you. Yes yeah ne ete ho. And now wow supporters wa wo do makọ so mu kosi o man na no mu ko chi o man team. They are refusing to come down. So mama aban was aban ye hu bibi ana na obetimi aye hu bibi. Why not? Say am pass omusiki asalam. Na ye be reference to oman mu abebusebisa. Aban can say bibia say ni ho. Eti no madishia no momfo momra. Possible.
Obia me bisa ye no na o na be ye say ye be kam obia hu say da bibisa nkoso.
Ano de me ni abem. There are people who are so quick and cheapy who so they will come out. Be rubbish all these things, but the reality will still come to dawn on us. The Ukrainian woman beba ababe da yin na yin. Aye Brazil ba you see all of a sudden be 2-3 months back because Ghana ne ye ko heaven aka ye chese ye ba cop we ka sunyan na dese dia baba to team anke it would have been a very good thing but who share ahomboa ye and the level of arrogance on the part of organizers and any ministry officials and at the parliament. We call former minister of sports and they didn't penny for mumra na mumra budget. Dear Sikasa near spending near that. Just a way to her, deputy Akawi, no we are Kawi, not just more or less, yes, noble parliament, Nessa. Yet Mamu, Sika or Mano, a car Yakobo, supporters to do it, the walk. At one point, you see, young sponsor supported here, at another point, yes, the supporters in be a travel agents stuff we, they had problems and all that. Enti anim guase ane de mum yantiabo me sure say ento ye did that na na otwe ye free Brazil buy
ye buy me kan fa na bo
and ya one na otwe
and 1 week
and then
okay
and then say and then na otwe me
and then fear that
1 week oh na say come me did na otwe da you crash out of Brazil na say he did na otwe da wo man but that notwithstanding eno ni nyina achi no me nim say Niama hihye ho said ye tibiara baba beda o man
a hihye Brazil ho ana say
hihye Brazil kwantu no inti na ye parliamentarians ye na si dodo na na Ghana how ye say ye the petition akoma ye wira ye penny right honorable speaker say omomodina na ye nti abadwaku e wo parliament
apart from the aban say enye no
ye de enima ban asema oka ye de
so mo kan ban ho.
Yeah, 3 arms of government, no. That be your autonomy. 1, 2, 3. Executive, judiciary.
Two fly, say friend of mine.
To the beer, say a friend say, quiet. Would you like to say boom too? But obey one who said, "Dear, Sibre, as parliament. We are all to me, say." Yeah, penny no makwanya you bet me at committee abanya ne committee obi anya ne committee tike mkwa munyam committee
e wo ha sei
you journalists na yen so parliamentarians yenye committee by partisan yen hwehwem yen get to the bottom of the matter na enye bibia say esisi
no matter ben na wo ha mo be get to the bottom
this is ye gina agitum say work up a fiasco ni ya conference ye raje ko 4 peso His Excellency and the first time you call Germany now Germany a ho akonopa na ade ho fepa mini Brazil but nipa koi nipa ankoka we antis asem ni bi the second way call under papa late Professor Mills indeed on administration and Ghana you call your name we built on near previous administration, Jacob Force administration, now by share say you better build it on so far as World Cup is concerned. Into your coy there was a leap in energy, yes, sir. And then Yame Adam near quartet under President Mahama. It seems that you're quite a chikra quatra, even the first attempt to cry that you're decon. We the greatest failure. And can build it on from South Africa. Now can say the quarter finals of South Africa. Can say they headed towards semi-finals and the cup no. But where they are quite a chikra feather. I said the quarter is a Suarez now or dear Bonnie and Karuka first time Kidro. But where they are the Yakoyachi into your things BBNC. It is a snake and old boss snake and let us know. What do 99 one count over done it to know? Sape Pepe. And he said, will be idea and say BBNC at the general BBNC. What happened? I need that so any ankeka near what promises are near any sema kasia near catch any towards preparations near dinner. What happened? Okay. The young just animal. Now, when you are to money, some commanders say, when we started some quite dear, the session would be one Miss Lamana. Remember text messages. No, honorable baby. Now, when him said, my dear, so yes, you need to Casazo Caho. Yes, say a busia at the quiet no. Would you cheer? Why do you say a boomba? Woman who says, I do a or baby, I will see. Tis our young fan to a team. Tiki catch the honorable, say. NDC for now, Modomo Ecoy, or say NDC for no Modomo Quenti, we are supporters no NDC for. We John ended the buy. I didn't NDC for supporters no Mugane. I didn't know Montana no more enjoy sweet economy nubi. Murphy, Pilatu, Henebisa with TK. Malam now so bit me Castro, no me pen number visa me pay Jumaye, nti. Madam somewhere Kumasa do we buy TK China province. Okay, you Mate Doris Makati Yebeshana Yasa correction no Emmanuel Ama TK. Okay, we be a personal Mr. Me who I just me roll over anti Mr. Mo a wow personal problem anti just with 2 answer TK many beje pa Sakastro no Yebehuno Abu from above 4 TK. Now I say Castro is under fire. We the Castro underwater. So according to the buy. Now I'm just way nya go na yedu I say. Prophet Nana mo ben TK manage mo ho pa ne mo program no. Nyame enhira mo pa. Well I'm saying for 1441. Nkoma na yetwetwe ne sisia no. Ne kasa afa nipa 200 a yeso mo ayira se be di kan no. Miami Herald wa report on the breaking news mpo. Na Al Jazeera you say Ghana ye ho asem hwirem na ekọ na nka ye de binya Paris asem no bana nka asempa so the toda bo say na akoye ngungunan you say ye de toato aso sa anti gidi say e behwede akasa asem no ye pa honorable enra ECOWAS leaders e ba Ghana no na efe pa panim fo hwe ye di mu a Ghanaian Times mo address hyem ba ade ba ko ba no mo say finally afere ECOWAS mo endorse EPA. However, most of them be more or see a shimuna or more can one sem. Into EP and come up training in ano, a fade say, ya, or my endorse EP, you know. Into Bisa the na man full through seven banner, I don't know, ya share who say Emma, and answer saying, until we can answer. You told me, you know, so say, you know, be more come on Bumua, or must say, or more concern Ghana for some better say, a memuno, a bear responsible governance. Now, last week, Robert Kaya, 1st July, and now Omokoya Yacheka crack. Almost occupy the Flagstaff House. Now, almost they say the Oma declare say, and some of Mokai no. And now they are buying a shada responses to no buy no and shada near Adibia and Kenya womb. And intino Oma declare say every Friday a red Friday. 2 crab bay never once or share white the buy. Must red Friday. One because why Yakopum say or mine no sesa a bebem. Nekwan swano no. Eti medanemo. Minti on Koduah.
TK Medase. Before I met Basa to major topics,
Brazil and San
because impression view of honorable creative as I say, the person ma Ghana phone in a tiasia. Say, Obia ni wa sabe for a program like World Cup. or yen share na dream say or quack or yen share ding in Kugu and a beba. Or mine bia because we have over 200 countries. I moved 32 and then the opportunity to call World Cup. And the World Cup is a stage. We will say a month will be a pesa stage, you know, to showcase their best. It, you know, I dream poor of mine be the course stage, you know, so I say of the department near in share papa be and abako. Or 2006. 2006, you will be near woman muasa. I'm more call Germany, no me na buy it. Yes. And me na buy it. And it was an issue. If you are a na fidia, and you me na buy it. Ain't you know, over the years, this is no acknowledge athletes need be cry call to America other events under Ghana flag. Omo also sign him say omo share bi ma ho kwan say o dwane e bia o to become Ghana under Ghana flag e do brebi na person o switch ya ma ho kwan say switch flag another flag it they do it recently Ignatius guys he switched from Ghana to Netherlands. Even at that level people do these things. And you know, when the impression is created, say, Brazil, and this and I say, APA for the first time, it is very erroneous.
But and also the number, the quantum.
You see, and yeah, bon number, yeah, the Nipa over 1,000 plus, and the core Germany, it's 1,500. Who checked the numbers that they did not return?
But that's
what I'm saying, because nobody placed any
German authorities came out to say anything.
That's what I'm saying. Yes, because this trip Ghana has become a subject.
Because of for bad reasons.
You may say so.
In defeat to earlier statement now where they say or maybe anyhow or cause or corner.
Listen, when you say the lifting of that money, say okay, say defy like he said, your local laws or whatsoever. I don't know too much about the law. When I'm a lawyer, we have everything I say. But if it was illegal for such an amount to be lifted into Brazil,
but say Ankasa swear.
And I mean to say you in Ghana, we a lawyer, because I don't know too much about when it comes to the law. The little that I know, it was allowed.
It was allowed because there are laws. You need to.
It doesn't matter. TK, you need a landing permit to land in Brazil. If you don't have it, if they don't allow you, you can't enter. Okay, and they have to know what you are bringing.
But you have a public spectacle.
No, that's what you see. You may say so.
No,
you may say so. No, if it was illegal, you know, I've heard a lot about that. We are doing money laundering. What does money laundering mean?
Well, because
people want to attribute all manner of things, and let's also become and see whether we did money laundering. Did we do money laundering? Yes, sir.
Let me say a question back.
You understand? The circumstances at the time, you will call it so. Okay, you may call it so. But as we speak, let's also not try to add insult to injury. Because what I'm saying is this, even our own Ghanaians maybe they don't understand what money laundering means. Because if you do, money laundering is say, Sebi, we ye juma boni bi, na we nye sikabi, yes every sajuma born in him now one person would take sikano until they are quite so when you say money laundering it is wrong
but coming
so let's not make it sound I haven't said so we are educating people I'm not saying you people have said that South America and you know this is an impression that is being created that I'm saying say let's not accept this as if that is what we did yes sir
man fast more can say e kukuru sika e dey akoma player of Brazil player na san discana full plane e san dey background nti sabi e dey pa na e was hard
well it is me I have openly said sir it is a regrettable situation openly I was in Brazil and I said it radio so live radio so I was Ghana regrettable wishing hoping say next time in court through that system again. But
as I feel in the position is based on the fact that you say improper.
You will call it listen, how have we been paying players? Let's not try to make this thing look like a novelty, something that just started. Okay, how have we been paying players and now say athletes? That is what I'm saying. So don't give the impression because even under Kufuor's regime, wow, it was happening. So it doesn't look like circumstances. Then I just say this trip will teach the players something. But now said exactly we are all learning from it. But prior to this particular way, me who be Maputo, Yetichesika like this dollar government official.
And the bet me I can say, motive papa near was a year co platform so you conduct and interest and near Brazil.
You see, that is not the case.
Including footballers no crowd.
South Africa, you know, come ourselves said they progressed. How were they paid?
Men can payment of your mention say now can say country be anywhere or Koduah or say because we be in platform near great. Yes. But the make say your conduct here
yes. You see, 2010 where we progressed as honorable and admitted. Not circumstance, and to say just that.
And so no,
the point is that at the time Sikano if it had reached there at that time, and you know why? You see, let's be open-minded. But I think you'll be given the opportunity. Let's be open-minded and the Friday that the money should have been lifted. Koduah and Kasade day in Amba. Let me tell you, Friday, Saturday. I think Brazil played on a particular day. Now Brazil a bomb match, a holiday. When Brazil is playing, it's a holiday.
Oh, sir.
Yes. So the permits in Myanmar, as I said, playing the court, we didn't get it. Nobody could envisage all these challenges. Oh, sir. Saturday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they were not working normal. It is Monday.
But when you go to a situation, I say, a queer holiday. No Sunday.
You see, you are talking about having a plane, the BC Ebeko. Yeah. Even to have access to that plane is another matter. This is when you have a plane is able to before you can say permit. Because you need to send the plane's particulars to the country that you are obtaining this permit from, and then they kick out. It's not as easy as you and I are sitting here. So we were overwhelmed by some of these issues as they faced us. So I'm but then you be able to try and explain. Exactly.
May take opportunity.
But then it's a terrible situation. Again,
regrettable.
Again, Brazilian authorities, are very difficult to deal with. Trust me. Okay.
Just 2 minutes be per now.
I think so.
For the EPA.
Listen. All of these things, Brazil.
No, you're about EPA.
Oh, EPA. Okay, EPA.
2 minutes.
Quickly. ya di ho abubu ache 7 years or so and I bet that ya proso country member countries in na and omo we've looked at these issues. Trade ministry seminars, the workshops with stakeholders and it looks like even though what is the alternative? We don't have prepare as a country to face the alternative because production manufacturing support the counter position if we take it. And, you know, I think we've gotten to that point where member countries feel say we should move on, look at the positive aspects of it and take advantage. Which is as a nation, if we want to step up your manufacturing sector now, this is the time we should look at these things. If we think say this thing is sitting in front of us and is becoming it looks like something that will work against us, we need
next time say oba be a better say betimi I said then because in san we pa ya to ehu awuram nti yenya to ehu akoshe nsumu ye kwan be ne betimi afa so e bedware akwa koduru eponaja ye better say issue na honorable
to wrap up in 10 seconds. So I'm happy you are wearing white today. I want so one shirt red baby. To add to that, so
but honorable me should be for polyphone me should red for polyphone or motif
polyphone I wish say
whichever say whether against lecturers no why there was students and also Mosanko school.
I agree with you that
lawyer clear difference between politicians I work Ghana other jurisdiction to developed countries. They are quick and humble enough to accept fault. So I am from Swa my resign Tietia had it you bet you see this year one politicians how don't know or man you're prepared you near Brazil to accept say with the man in ye oh actually Mammy ko EPA Abra na Dr. Ibn Chambers or president of ECOWAS sad way bedaho by any or my consultants ECA Economic Commission of Africa consultants share how best that it can help. Report to me the buy nature say and ya beboa your block no ECOWAS block no you intend to am so advice say ECOWAS under Dr. Ibn Chambers said you should not go in. Along the line you ask yourself then assassin considerably if you assassin that much assassin send a net here na could we say when him the problem with we the African leadership your problem our Ghana have gratitude I didn't buy yen tia bone chire nipa na idi won so nipa na di tumi na man no ade e ka bi kra won ti ase nipa dodo say na tisa issue ase the population of West Africa
communicate no say yen church amanfo ase
ase ne yen church makoji atom awie no na church mu wie na civil society ne menu eti hai ene parliamentarians ne hwan na ye ka say da bi yen hia mo de tira ko wura ma wie kwa adenti na e ba na no ye nya adaje ba enye ne na yen build the capacity of the citizenry na yen conscientize yen yen kire yen twa adwene si bibi so besine EPA I want the positive and the negatives. Your Minister of Trade and Industry about 2 months ago said the government is about confused about it because take decision they have the siege now ECOWAS leaders it's not bad. Your traditional it opens market. That's the only advantage. It opens the market to us. Your normal traditional export a primary you go to near timber near cocoa and you're affected will be NC home coin because they need it primarily. What is of problem primary agricultural products mango pineapple, banana, and then wine. And you see a access. Banana, we can't compete with the banana sticks.
So you can't see a very important to me.
No,
I didn't.
More comparative advantage. Comparative. Because some production level cost on so low. On PPI, production price index, you low.
In fact, say cow more a debate no no.
Yes.
More dear no ever form.
Now, yet the end was wrong. Until doing the business itself, no crowd, I just said, well, a car was wrong. Until price level, we didn't compete with them. What you say? And infrastructure base in crowd. Then we've been talking about modernization of agriculture. So we call your revenue, Sikanuma, ABFA, annual budgetary funding allocation, 4 thematic areas in back home. You see modernization of agriculture. How you see you see all your Sikanuma they call. You ask yourself, especially 2 or your nanwing, or your 2011 up to this point. Agriculture ben you're modernizing away. What mean today?
You take a step be a baby.
Meanwhile, we are the shame say all your revenue every year. Yana the big modernize the agriculture. It are we serious? Here, we my advantages be brave and opportunities. So
Mekayagua. Some say my about 20-year period.
You to take advantage of the scene as a nation. You're caught in here. You know you say you bet me the European market. Yet me compete with Sudan, nominally Egypt, because according to women, cotton fiber, more your friends say. Okay,
Asawana.
Yet the Indian
okay. And the moon yet and
to Sudan, nobody any attention. It is a who can be taking advantage on that market, or you can't compete. By intimate fine ye before fruit beans so I know so be baby that I know bit me. That is it. And no Nasambaka 2012, none was talking about industrialization, major industrialization takeoff of the country. Now you process. Oh, you need to start from somewhere. Your primary produce, you process no near add value to. Then you can try to enter.
No, jumping the gun, no.
Baby,
again, now be process no.
Cotton, so cotton
in volumes. I'll bet me. So tintim who fedia. Who bet me at the
yes. We modernize our agriculture now. Now product, step up production our agriculture because we are agri based. Nigeria. As IEP as any Nigeria, 80% of the income is coming from petroleum. Exports. Na Greek yina kasa hanu pisa. But yet in agricos, you basically agric based agricultural produce. Now no
and then
yeah. And then you know your cocoa, your duane, your bunch, your tomato, they basically. And now agri sector and the largest employment of Ghana. That provides and take bold step. They modernize the agriculture whilst improving upon the subsistence farming systems, because in and the papa farmers are almost small scale farmers. Empower. Then we embark on major industrialization. Now, you put to value to our produce.
Drop testers collapse under force government.
Well, I'm talking about. You see, I'm talking about Ghana.
You mentioned the industrialization.
Please, I'm talking about Ghana as a country.
Some died.
Allow me.
So you call the other textile collapse under other regime.
That's it. And quick one. When you panacea, EPA no opening up and you panacea. The other aspect of it, they say.
But honorable, I heard the other aspect. No, say EPA no, and you young one are interested in. Yeah, you will be so almost so interested. It mean myself almost so pressure and no more expectation. So money that can say best sign can't be intina. I was a sad brain. You take it to Sana Moy.
No, me watching you. I'm saying, Kayamane Medega. Now you yantin maybe I say, because it's here. Omu a goose near the baby baba. One, be crying tax in pool. One, you be losing revenue. Two, industry. Your manufacturing sector. No, no competing because with PPI no so production cost is so high. It would already cry a tea. You bet me the Mpaboa is here no Kumasi no one. But me I go fair free China, but now half price. What do you say? Kotokro. What do you say? Kofa Kotokro free China ba?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's a Kotokro? Tire credit the bar.
Yeah, the bar. Well, so then what then here the unemployment ba because industries need to collapse. Na dey aba. Enti anka for me expect in these things, but second yet nasi now at all levels. Yeah, near June one year share. Na say bibi womu na ya the tune be ya. When him say you a huge subsector ha 350 million almost your population. Anka say you expand it. Yeah, trading. You dread among ourselves, sir. To start with, can you remember my
test about said Nadia Mubro for number plenty.
Seka, Yania West Africa sub-region. And Kabema more leverage. Naka bargaining power no adoso. We are winning Nigeria to be producing Chine. Omo coastline, but so you say. I know ordinary, so I know ordinary has me and producing Chine said no. But Nigeria cotton Chine over about $2 billion a year from Brazil.
Anka you beat me and you yes. You see, I done here crown and she be a taho and Yagro and by the same thing in Nigeria and person but Chine. No more cotton or Brazil. You miss out once. Ivory Coast now no about 2 weeks, 3 weeks as 4 weeks. Articulators are low do near my Ivory Coast. But I don't so more and such him some more come emoji. And as I said, Bassa. As I said, John Abusu to send Kayen, you know, young train so kakra. Nayanka, so young dear develop okay. Get dear among ourselves. If we are near Muyudua, a penny no more compressor. We are with him. Miami Timber, yes, 1 point. Miami Timber, and that's 7 years, and I'm not a home in it.
7 years, and yet you're soon starting. And 7 years, 6 years. Yes, but just 1 point, I mean, what test was in Crown Corner. When you say timber industry, timber trade industry, timber as you say a core European countries in here. Volume is so above from low. Nigeria, timber free Ghana, Nigeria, see timber products, Nigeria, see, and you so high. And Chepi Ghana, yeah, but create timber. If we Cameroon, Gabon.
Yeah, Ghana.
Yes. Yes.
Mahogany Nisapele.
We are going to import. But a bunny sample within our sector. Nesikana kaya sub-region, and they get no any. Dan say, Anka Umbasu Timba na diako. Okay. Dina yako kaji wani we are when you say.
Enti ye tree planting bibiri na no ekosi he fatike. Ede micro na yetimi. Ya to immigration for forms last year failed the almost from the February Sabre among Frey na do we say bad na we call the pass of the immigration officer I'm saying my TK Ministry of Sports and GFA president no I was so mo hwe na mo bu akonta de ekosi wo Brazil nyina no mo bu ho akontan e de magana fo no nyina ehunu TK oman mu be se 60% de omo ehunu amane papa TK obi obeka kira o se Castro tiase bia no oboa na menu mi bisa o keja sim bisa o se ye kira o se Castro woni ho a obetimi edi ho adanse de ana ye hu ne nti say kaya say ona bo say lawyer for mo say mfienso na je so hwehwe dipa ko na mfienso ansa na wa hu na wa ka se wawu
legal death
say legal death ye kan TK catch honorable Edua Sare oduro mesrawo ye prep for ba say na mo test message ni bi wo ha honorable chi ye so ad catch okay okay, we from Mr. Tweneboah Kumase. O say mama mo Brazil abai tiri so. Yana o say nki hunu ne ebesi na ya nkasa ya siesie ho na yakoho. TK 2006 all the fans returned home.
That's not true.
Sir, the fans have already made up their mind. Nobody should put it on the president. Yabua Kaswa. Okay, or say now one kasa of course 2006 we na ba fie. All right, TK. Adentina. Okay, was it Castro ne yire ni hwa na? na me hu Jane from Accra Politique yes no catch o man pani say sika e de ko akoto sanitary pad no mo fa nkotu ya lecture for no ka no munya kwan no mbekire ade a ebusanfo ye be no aso e wa ha sei na ye sore TK ye frame me corporate du asare catch honorable du asare so me role model na me pese me de ye me uncle ni etimi adopt uncle sabe TK catch honorable NDC honorable say ensem no kwadu be o bia na onka mu no kra na yi na ye ntibi TK management program no pa na mu economy dia say emu aye den papa panti en catch ban ne say onhwe na onye hu bibi na adwa na di we buy well ebusafo ketwa bi na time aso yo
oh god
ada ketwa bi bi me
ayi my use na me read you say election computers hacked into Tunisia
okay
ayi
computer
dey elections no Tunisia
bi
awuram nti asese obi am na ni da ho
aye Uganda
about to be yes
Tunisia Uganda
possible na happen
okay I was for a day if you had the Munina say, and can honorable Koduah du asare obi say one fan say or ne uncle or adopted a former MP Adenta blaster country in answer no can be no youth pano and honorable Kwabena Kufu honorable or that's what in a kunya so bantama or sanso so a lawyer ni the name for Efren Kwabena Koko and
me designation here, presidential staffer,
so presidential staffer,
enterprise development,
youth
enterprise development.
So there's some youth in them about the enterprise. I was afraid that we say, and if you're the Yamia Duma, a Drada, your best sign, a shebium. Na Yeshia, said the Mwankas Munimuno, ya Pumuden Hon some day, and ya dear, ye dear grocra, Yamfendi agro, Timoncoso, Namunti once again. Miaminia Gato Fia Deve Segbe Fia Senior we MD Beretta Ventures Unia Numina Enkanka brother Segbe Fia of Rana Motors a friend Segbe Osman Kanjo say o ma witrim kwa ene mo amaka nyina anso so ene ye mawuda no adwa da nyame aduma be hia jiwa home na fa hoden be ye adwuma na wotwi meka asese obi afa adwuma ti wo ho wanim na ye adwuma no ebise de obeye ne nne no na de obekọ baabi daachi de mo ase adwa de be san hia biom